This viral K-Beauty serum promises to brighten up the skin, face the dark spots and even out the complexion. But is it really worth it? So after a month of testing this Anua 10% niacinamide serum, I have some serious thoughts. Let's dive into and see what is my experience with this particular serum. Something impressed me, others not so much. Let's dive into it. If you're into skincare, you know that niacinamide, alpha-arbutin and tranexamic acids are the powerhouse to fade dark spots and pigmentation and uneven skin tone. But just because they work amazing individually doesn't mean they work better together. I tested this serum for a month and now I know what to do with this serum and what to avoid with this serum so that you use it wisely and don't irritate your skin. I'm going to share my experience with this serum so that you don't waste your money. This Anua 10% niacinamide and 4% tranexamic acid serum, it's formulated with a blend of skin brightening, hydrating and soothing ingredients. Serum is a multifunctional brightening and hydrating treatment that's designed to target hyperpigmentation, improve skin texture and strengthen your skin barrier. It's powered by 10% of niacinamide, 4% of tranexamic acid, alpha-arbutin and 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C, that will help to reduce pigmentation and even out your skin. It also contains sodium hyaluronate, panthenol, ceramide N and multiple plant oils to replenish moisture and protect the skin. Also include betaine salicylate, which is a gentle exfoliant that will refine the skin and enhance the absorption of the actives. Also infused with Centella asiatica, green tea and other botanical extracts to reduce the redness and irritation. This formula is very well balanced, but it's a potent formula that works great to fade away hyperpigmentation. But if you are a sensitive skin, you need to keep few things in the mind. Texture wise, it's super light, but here is a catch. If you apply it on dry skin, it feels slightly tacky. But if you spritz something on your face like the thermal water or any of your toner and then you apply it on the damp skin, it feels very light and get absorbed quickly into your skin. You can see the hint of the color that because of the vitamin B12 in the formula. Now it's not your everyday serum. I have learned it very hard way because when I got it, I was using it regularly in my morning and night routine. But later I realized that this was irritating my skin. So I stopped using it every day. I switched to alternate days and only once a day, not twice a day. And that too in the night routine and sometime in morning routine. But I kept it only once a day and then this has worked really well. Now I'm gonna show you my before and after with this serum. I have took 3-4 weeks challenge with this. I'm gonna show you before and after of my skin. But before that, I want to tell you that I have seen my analytics and they show me that 70% of you who are watching my videos have not subscribed to my channel. I know you guys love my content, but you forgot to subscribe and press the bell button and you miss out the amazing content which I post on this channel regularly. So I request you guys, if you love my content, it's a small request, kindly hit that subscribe button. That means a lot to me. I really need your support at this time because that hardly cost you anything, but that means a world to me because that's how I will be able to produce better content for you guys. So it's a request, kindly hit that subscribe button and also press the bell button so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. And now it's show time. That was my skin, but don't worry, this redness is because of an extraction I did that day. After that, I started using this. So here is my live progress from February 18th to March 30th. At the start, I still had some marks and I was using about 5 to 6 drops of the serum, but honestly, it felt a bit heavy on my skin. I kept using it morning and night, but after a while, I noticed it started irritating my skin. So I decided to reduce the frequency. I switched to twice or thrice a week or on alternate days. And that actually worked much better for me. Initially, I was worried that its oily texture, it might clog my pores, but surprisingly, I didn't notice much clogging. However, it did cause some irritation. So if you have super oily, acne prone skin, make sure to do a patch test first. But as you can see, in terms of reducing pigmentation, the results are definitely visible and effective. I also reduced the amount of serum. Instead of 5 to 6 drops, I started using just 3 drops for my entire face and neck. And if you ever feel the serum is too heavy on your skin, you can try spritzing thermal water. Like I said, that will make sure that it glides very lightly and feels much comfortable. Since I was using multiple layers, milky toners and then serum, it definitely felt heavy on my skin. But whenever I spray thermal water before applying it, it felt much better. So you can try that out as well. And here is my final clip. You can see the skin looks glowy and marks are visibly reduced, but here are a few things that you should keep in mind. Here is something that you have to keep in mind, that it's a potent formula. Niacinamide concentration is little higher. I always say look for 4 to 5% of niacinamide. That works better than the 10%. But of course this one is also good, but always keep the thing in mind that you use it slowly into your skincare routine. Try it once and twice a week and then gradually increase up to alternate days. Don't use it every day, otherwise it's gonna irritate your skin, because Indian skin is very sensitive and prone to irritation. If you're a Caucasian skin who is watching overseas, you can use it in your daily routine, but again I would say start slow and listen to your skin. If it's taking it, then you can keep it up, otherwise just slow it down or increase the frequency. However your skin is telling you, just listen to your skin. But for my Indian beauties who are watching, use it on alternate nights, then it will gives you better results. Or if you are under budget, because I know it's not easily available in India, I got it from one of a UGC creator. She sell it to me and that's how I have got it. I think it's now available on Care and Class. I have ordered few things from Care and Class. So far they feel genuine, so you can trust their site. You can get it from Care and Class, or you can wait it to launch on either Macaron or Limes or Skinbay or Nykaa. Otherwise, if you're looking for some Indian alternates, we have multiple options in Indian skincare market. Dermaco has kojic acid serum, Minimalist have serums, the Deconstruct have serums, so you can go for them. But if you're really interested to try this one out, you can. It's a beautiful serum, but always keep the thing in mind that it's a potent formula, so listen to your skin and use it accordingly. So yeah, that's a wrap for my experience on this Anua serum. I hope you found it helpful. If you do, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, so that you never miss any of my videos. I'm gonna see you in my next. Until then, take care.